Here's how to use payment tools on Metaverse. The concept of the Metaverse world is predicted to become a reality in the future. This dream world will combine technological aspects so that there is no longer a gap between the virtual world and the real world. The means of payment in the Metaverse will also be made in such a way that economic transactions, the means of payment in the Metaverse, will use blockchain and crypto. Both will be the medium of exchange that runs the economy in the Metaverse. Payment with this cryptocurrency will make it easier, considering that almost all assets will be sold in the form of non-fungible tokens or NFT, which can at the same time ensure the authenticity of the every asset owned by virtual world users. In addition, the advantage of NFT is that its assets can be traded for other users. The development of the Metaverse will make cryptocurrencies more commonly used by the public. To promote it, Facebook began to open access for internet users to enter their virtual reality platform, Horizon Worlds. This virtual reality was launched in December 2021 as proof of Facebook's seriousness in developing the virtual world. The name Metaverse was mentioned a lot after Facebook boss Mark Zuckerberg introduced his new company name as Meta. The company combines various technology assets such as Facebook, WhatsApp, and Instagram. The meaning of the Metaverse is something as abstract as when humans came up with the idea of a large communication network called the Internet in the 1970s. Back then, no one really knew what kind of idea the Internet was. Likewise with the Metaverse. Which refers to these new ideas. Metaverse does not refer to one type of technology. More than that, this term actually refers to new ways of utilizing technology. In essence, the meaning of Metaverse means increasing the scope of technology human daily life. In the Metaverse, humans will recognize the term virtual reality which is characterized by a more sustainable use of the virtual world. Then there is also augmented reality. Where there will be a merger between virtual and physical aspect. This concept will be easily accessible. Not only on a computer screen or laptop, but also in the hands of humans via smartphones.